Hello and welcome. This is part one in a series of recorded programs about how to become more effective as a job seeker. In my experience and in my opinion, in today's job market, success often depends not simply on what you know, but also on who you know, as well as how you engage with them. Contrary to popular misconception, networking goes far beyond simply attending events or connecting on LinkedIn. Instead, strategic networking involves intentionally building and maintaining relationships that can lead to insights, that can result in mentorship, and ideally can result in information and access to job opportunities that are never advertised publicly. Here's the reality. Whether you're actively job hunting right now or simply planning your next move at some point in the distant future, investing time in networking is an essential part of long-term career growth strategy. One of the best and easiest ways to effectively expand your network is by attending industry events, including things like conferences and workshops and webinars and seminars. In particular, face-to-face gatherings offer direct access to other professionals, including hiring managers, as well as thought leaders. Face-to-face gatherings also provide valuable learning opportunities for you, allowing you to remain current on industry best practices, industry trends, and industry developments. Despite the hype, LinkedIn is and remains one of the most powerful tools for professional networking. The starting point is, of course, a well-crafted and up-to-date LinkedIn profile that reflects both your skills and your accomplishments. But networking involving using LinkedIn appropriately goes far beyond simply having an up-to-date profile. It involves things like actively participating in discussions. It involves things like you sharing relevant content with others. And it involves you engaging with professional groups as a way to establish your presence in your preferred field of endeavor. In addition, LinkedIn is a great way to conduct informational interviews, by which I mean short, informal conversations with other professionals who ideally will be able to provide you with insights about their roles, insights about their organization, and insights about your career path. It's essential that we all recognize that networking is a two-way street. We have to be willing to contribute our knowledge, we have to be willing to offer support, and we should show genuine interest in others' work as well as the needs of others as a way to build trust and make the connections that we have and develop more meaningful. In other words, rather than focusing only on what others can do for you, think about ways that you can add value to others and to the professional community. Building and developing a strong professional network cannot and will not happen overnight. It requires consistency, it requires authenticity, and it requires a willingness to engage with others in a meaningful way. By positioning yourself as both a learner and as a contributor, you will create relationships that can support your career goals. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you again in part two.